Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel. Coming at you super hyped tonight because we have a special unboxing that was sponsored by me for my husband, and I'm really excited about it. So welcome to our channel where we talk about the things we love to collect in our home. Knives, pens, bags, jewelry, you name it, labubus, all the things. Pretty much just some cool shit, right? Today is for my EDC fam, and we are doing an aggressive unboxing. So grab yourself something to drink, sit back and relax while we get into it. I am using one of my absolute fave knives to unbox. It is a Hinderer. Was it XM24? I'm so good. I love the horse. I rode horses when I was younger. I love their logo. And then, of course, if you've seen our videos, the clip in the back is just stunning. So super pumped. Why is it an aggressive open tonight? And why am I pumped about it? Because this is the Aggressor that used to be custom and is now a production knife. I don't like this tape. This makes me nervous. Cut towards your buddy, not your body. Let's do it this way. Oh my God. Will it cut? Yes, it will. Be careful about it. Okay. So again, this was, it used to be a custom knife, and now it is a production knife.
The blade.
Custom blade.
The blade shape.
It's custom blade shape. What do we have in here? Beautiful USA made blade sticker, as always. The Hinderer logo. Love it. Again, 2018 Blade Show, Most Innovative American Design. I think that's cool, right here. Ooh. Ooh. Peanuts, styrofoam peanuts for the styrofoam elephants out there. It is hand assembled and tuned by Amanda Yoder. Very cool. I don't think I've seen that before. Have you?
Not her.
Okay, very nice. For instructions on how to change out the tri-way pivot system, we've seen these before. They have a YouTube channel that you can go to and look at that. And then there is the Hinderer sticker. It's a badass sticker. I like it. I'm a sticker person. I like to decorate my Mac. All right, here we have it. It's like a confiscated, like it's a in an evidence bag. This is a G10 handle. So it's called the Aggressor because of the grind on the way that the blade looks. And that is a baddie. That's a rhino right there for sure. So it has a top swedge of a Bowie blade and then the cutting edge of a Tonto right here. And it's aggressive. It totally is. It is aggressive, like almost like a hornet. Just very cool. Specs, the blade length is 3.5 inches and the blade thickness is 0.165 inches. Pretty cool. The blade is stone wash finish. The handle length is 4.75 inches. The lock side thickness is 0.165 inches. And the lock side is stone wash as well. So you've got that nice look right here. The liner thickness is 0.05. So you can see the difference right here between the lock side and the liner. The overall thickness is 0.54, so just a little bit more than a half an inch. And the overall length is 8.25 inches. Don't stick myself. You can see I'm already doing well today. The weight of the knife, 5.6 ounces. It's a substantial weight. Feels good in the hand. I feel like I could, just in and of itself, feels nice. I like it. And it just flips right open. That's beautiful. On the blade, as usual, USA Magna Cut right here, because the blade steel is CPM Magna Cut. And then you can see the Hinderer logo here as well. You've got stainless steel hardware. And the blue's all right. But, you know, if you don't like the blue, what? We have another scale that we ordered. This is textured titanium in battle purple. So what we will do is take this blue off and we're gonna pop on, and I love what they do on the inside of the scale. You can see Hinderer right here. And so we'll replace the blue with the purple. We don't have a purple like this, and so this is a newer color, and then we'll just switch out right there. I asked if there was possibly a clip. There weren't any clips for sale right now, but maybe we'll get a clip one day. You can see Hinderer right here on the knife. It is pretty thick. Let's see. Will it cut a bitch? Yes, it will. I mean, you can see it. It's got like a little boop point right there. That's gnarly. Was it worth it? We were having a conversation in the car today about what would be my top 5, like what are the upper knives for me, and I just absolutely love Hinderer. I do. I think it's great. Is it a boob knife? I think we also said that all knives are boob knives because they all kind of disappear in my rack. Ooh, again, always with the microphone. Yes, it could be a boob knife, but this is one you want to put on display. You want to put it on your pocket. You want to carry it out. It's wonderful. It can be a neck knife, right? Get a big fat chain and just stick it right there. Yeah. Okay. Where does it rank for me? I think that the purple, in comparison for my Hinderers, this is still my number one. Absolutely. Absolutely my number one. I just love the scale on this knife. I like this blade. I will say that this blade shape it's divine. But the clip with the eagle and the horse head, the scale, I just really, something about this one and the size of it does it for me. But this is a pretty, that blade really does it. What about you? Where does it rank for you? I know you haven't held it yet because I get to be the first one. Based on the looks of it, what do you think? Pretty awesome? Okay, let's see. Let's see what else we have in our bag of tricks for Hinderer. Least favorite Hinderer. Don't tell anybody. FireTech. It's all right. This actually had a G10 scale as well. I don't love it. Sorry. It's, you know, it's got this, you know, with my nails, I can't do anything with it. Get some fatties in here. This is pretty bad. Let's see. Rounded, square. This one has the tool. This is much thicker, obviously. But dang. Which one do you like of these two? This one? Oh no, that's sad face, y'all. Brand new knife, and it's still not one of his favorites. Is it because it has the G10 on it? Is it the blue?
No,
Smaller?
the full track is just a great knife.
Full track is a great knife. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 Hinderers?
11, I think.
Nope. That's 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
Number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bam, bam. Let's see. Will it cut? Where was my paper that I brought? So, I was told that my last video, it was the worst cutting that they'd ever seen. And I don't want to F things up. And so for me, when I'm trying to see whether it will slice, and I'm just doing like a, does it get a purchase? I'm just trying to be really gentle. So I don't really want to get in there. So if you have tips, tell me, what should I be doing? Is it the angle that you put it in? Because I mean, stab it, go for it, great. So that's beautiful. But how is it? Because when I watch the videos, I see the people that do it on the corners and they just get it to slice right up. And I can't do that. But I can do this. Flip it over. Like this. I feel like I'm just kind of shaving. But this is great. This is excellent. Look, it's streamers. I really like it. I really like the blade. So if I could take this blade and put it on this one, this would be my favorite knife of all the knives we have. I think our next video has to be a what's in our collection. Sorry. I just made a noise. Did y'all hear a noise? I put that knife on top of the scale. Eek! What would I change about it? Well, I'm gonna change the scale for sure. Maybe make it a little bigger. I really like this one because of how thick it is and how big it is. And it's just such a beast in the hand. Maybe make this one a little bit bigger.
You describing me?
You're such a beast in the hands. That's right. That's what she said. I think that's it. That's probably it. I'm going to change the scale. But other than that, it's top notch. I like this right here, that they're just flat. What you would expect from a Hinderer. It's an excellent knife. It feels great. It's spot on. That blade is just super sexy. Good purchase, bad purchase, what do you think? If you have any constructive criticism, feel free to hit me up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all the things, y'all. Bye.